Well, pop a squat and crack a beer. I think we're ready to start laying down some cable. We've got 250 feet of shielded Cat6 cable, a bunch of RJ45 connectors, and the tool that attaches them to the cable. First, in the basement, we'll push all the girlfriend's crap out the way for easier access. Back in the living room, this is where I want the Ethernet cable to run to. So we'll pop this coax wall plate off and get it out of here. Down in the basement, this is where that coax cable runs. We're going to run the Ethernet cable through there. Long story short, I tried a bunch of different things to do that, all of which were kind of stupid and ended in tears or aggravated screaming. In the end, I got a wire clothes hanger and shoved that up through the hole. I had to cut the wall a bit in order to find the other end, but I can fix that later. Then I just taped the cable to that and pulled it up through the wall. Now we'll run the cable all the way to the modem. We'll use these coaxial staples to hang it, and we'll use one right here to prevent the cable from being pulled back out. Next, I'm just gonna make a quick guess as to how much cable I'll need. This looks about right, screw it. Then we simply run the cable, hammering in staples wherever there's a change in direction, or the cable slack hangs, or you just feel like it. Looks like our guess on length paid off. Coming up, we'll be adding connectors to the wire and putting everything together. In the meantime, stay organized out there.